So hi guys, this is Subhash here, bikerbabavlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So what you see behind me, it's a Chandor church ground here, and that's the school here. So one of my subscriber asked me to do my neighbor village, which called Cotombi. It's a small village there. I'll try to cover something there. If I can show you something nice places around there somewhere. So it's almost 1 kilometers away from this place now. I have to cross the river. Okay then, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel guys for upcoming videos. Okay then. Alright guys, it's a Cotombi in the right side, and that's the Chandor in the left. This is Chandor. This comes to Salset, and that's the quepem here. So I'll go here, and there's the village there inside. I'll just try to show you there what they have there. guys, this is cemetery here on the mountain of Cotombi. I tell you what, here at the other side is my village there. I'll show you later when I go other side there. So this is the mountain there. From that area the village is other side. Let's come to Paroda here, and that's the Parvat Chandreshwar Bhutnath, that place, and that's the Paroda over here, and Quepem area is over that side, and the Tilamol will come this side, and the Kurchorim Savade will come this side. So I'll show you other side as well. He's picking up cashew seeds, and there's the cemetery here. Okay, I'll show you this side now. Okay, that side is Cotombi. Then you have to cross the river there. Then it comes to Chand or Girdolim. And then you see that that mountain, last mountain. There's my house there. It's just 3 kilometers away from here, maybe. So I showed you here also. That's this is Kurchorim here, that side. And Savade they called, and that's the Tilamol other side there. So this is the area here. Okay, even I'll go take the view from that mountain as well over there. Here, let's see what we can see from there. Okay guys, I have bought my bike here on this mountain. This bike is very powerful, I must say. You see that decline there? This bike had climbed very high mountain. Even I can't believe that. Further I cannot go from here. It's very rough road. So I just stopped there. I'll try to show you from this place as well. So this is the area here. It's all Cotombi. This is the main road there. And cemetery is on that mountain, other side. So this is the place here. Those who are interested in adventure, they can come and visit this place. Okay, let's go from here now. From that road I had calmed up. Now what I'll do, I'll just go from here, that side, and connect the road there. It's a total off-roading bike. I have small Hathi ka Bacha. So I was there before, so I'll take this road now. From here I will end this video. So guys, that was a Cotombi here in Quepem. So I showed this place here. It's a very small area here. I try to show you what they have here in this village. If you like this video guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then, thanks for watching guys. See you in another video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.